Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
First, duplicate your original clip and keep a clean reference copy safe. Open Final Cut Pro and inspect the clip with scopes and waveform meters. Check camera metadata for ISO and exposure. High ISO such as 3200 usually causes more grain. Play a 3-frame sample to establish a noise baseline for comparison. Stabilize any heavy motion before denoising to avoid temporal smearing. Create a compound clip if you plan to apply global adjustments across multiple edits. Select the clip and add the noise reduction effect from the effects browser. Start with a mount at 0, 5 and adjust between 0, 1 and 1, 0 based on results. Enable temporal processing and set frames to between 3 and 5 to reduce flicker without causing ghosts. Adjust spatial radius slowly from 0, 5 to 4, 0 to balance softness and detail preservation. Use a shape mask and keyframes to protect faces and edges, applying around 50% mask strength on high detail areas to retain. For stubborn grain, use a third-party plugin like Neat Video and build a noise profile. Capture a neutral patch or black frame to profile noise accurately for each ISO setting. Apply temporal smoothing in the plugin, then adjust the reduction until detail loss is minimal. Once satisfied, render the clip and export using ProRes 422 at the native resolution such as 1920x1080. Finally, apply a subtle sharpening pass and keep the amount low to avoid reintroducing noise into smooth areas.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.